Good day everyone. For today's lesson, we will talk about the equation of a circle. Okay, so there are two forms. Number one is standard form. Number two, general form. Standard form can be written as the quantity of x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. And on the right side, we have general form. X squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f equals 0. We have, this time we will proceed to the concept of a circle. The circle is a set of all points that are equidistant from a fixed point called the center of a circle. Then, when you say equidistant, it talks about the same distance from the center to any point of a circle. The distance between the center and any point of a circle is called radius. So that is known as radius of the circle. And center can be written as the quantity of h and k. As what I have said a while ago, that there are two forms of a circle. Number one, standard form. Number two, general form. And these are the equation of a circle. And this is the possible graph of a circle. This is the graph of the quantity of x minus 3 squared plus the quantity of y plus 1 squared equals 25. The center 3, 1. Then since the radius is 25, so what is the radius? What is the square root of 25? So we have 5. That's why from the center we actually move 5 to the right, move 5 to the right and move 5 to the left, as well as upward and downward. But I will make a separate video how to graph it properly. For today's video, I will give you two examples about center radius form, and I will convert it to what we have standard form. Say for instance, we have this problem: center -1, 7 and radius of 5. So what is the standard form of this problem? As we all know that the standard form of a circle, we have the quantity of x minus h squared plus the quantity of y minus k squared equals r squared. So all you have to do is substitute the value of the center. We have -1, 7. Before that, we'll follow the following steps. Number one, identify the value of h and k. Since the first element inside the parentheses we have -1, this is known as h. Then the second we have k. Therefore, h equals -1 and k equals 7. Then second, substitute the value of h and k to our goal above. So sa goal natin, we will transform it into standard form. We have x minus, substitute natin ang value ni h, we have -1, then squared, plus y minus, substitute natin ang value ni 7, we have y minus 7 squared equals the value of the radius 5, then right squared. So then this is now our final answer. Let's have another example. Example number 2, same form. We have given a center and a radius. So a center of -1, 2 and a radius of 4. First and foremost, find the value of h and k. We have h equals -1 and k equals 2. We have x minus -1 squared. So -1 coming from the value of h plus y minus k. What is the value of k? We have 2. So it will become y minus 2 squared equals the value of radius. We have 4. So we have 4 squared. And we have now our final answer, the quantity of x plus 1 squared plus y minus 2 squared equals 16. Understood. Let's have another example. Example number 3, we are tasked to convert it from standard form to general form. As we all know that standard form can be written as the quantity of x minus h squared plus y minus q squared equals r squared. However, general form can be written as x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f equals 0. In the equation equated to 0, that is known as general form. So we have a given problem. Find the general form of the quantity of x plus 5 squared plus y minus 3 squared equals. How to solve this one? So let's follow 4 steps. Number 1, expand the binomial. Number 2, divide the second term and square it. And number 3, we have to remove the parentheses. Then number 4, arrange the terms from highest to lowest. So let's follow. Expand the binomial. So we have x plus 5. So how to expand this one? Okay, please follow. Square the first term, we have x. Since we are going to square it, will become x squared. Then multiply the two terms. So, x times 5, we have 5x times 2, we have 10x. Then what is the last term? We have 5. So square the last term, 5 squared. That's why we have 25. Understood? Then copy the operation plus, then expand the binomial. Square the first term, it will become y squared. Then copy the sign. Copy the operation rather. So we have minus. Then multiply the two numbers. Y times 3. Y times 3. That is equals to 3y. Times 2, we have 6y. Then square the last term, we have 3 squared. We have positive 9. Copy lang ang 49. After that 1, remove the parentheses. So copy lang lahat. X squared plus 10x plus 25. Then to the right side, we have y squared minus 6y plus 9. Then copy lang si 49. In this one, we will arrange the terms from highest to lowest. So the highest variable of x, we have x squared. So bring down x squared. Plus y squared. Saan ang y squared? So bring down yung y squared. Plus the variable x, we have plus 10x. Then another variable y, we have minus 6y. What is 25 plus 9 minus 49? So input it to your calculator, it will become, therefore we have our final answer, x squared plus y squared plus 10x minus 6y minus 15 equals 0, which is the general form. This time we'll proceed to example number 4. And we are tasked to find the standard form of x squared plus y squared plus 10x minus 2y plus 710 equals. And this time we are tasked to find the standard form of x squared plus y squared plus 10x minus 2y plus 17 equals 0. So there are 5 steps that we are going to follow, or 4 steps. Number 1, we copy the given problem. Number 2, group the terms. Number 3, divide the second term by 2 and square it. Then 4, add the results to the right portion of the equation. Then simplify it. Okay, we'll follow that one. Since our given problem, we have x squared plus y squared plus 10x minus 2y plus 17 equals 0. So let's follow. Copy the given problem. So bring down lang yung sinabi ko kanina. Then afterwards, group the terms. So we'll group according to the variables. So unahin natin ang variable x. So saan dyan ang merong variable x? So we have x squared. Saan pa? We have plus 10x. Then open and close parentheses. Understood? In order to group the variables or terms. Plus, sa y naman tayo. Saan ba ang Ang mga y dito, we have y squared minus 2y. Then, open and close parenthesis equals negative 17. Because we are going to use additive inverse. So, what is the inverse of positive 17? That is negative 17. Understood? Then, after that one, we'll use completing the square. So, look at the second term of variable x. We have 10x. So let's divide that 1 into 2. So we have 10 divided by 2. That is equals to 5. Then square that. 5 squared. We have 25. So write 25. Yung nakared, we have 25. So since we are done with variable x, let's proceed to variable y. We have y squared minus 2y. Look at the second term. We have negative 2y. Divide the number by 2. Negative 2 divided by 2. That is equals to negative 1. Then square that. Negative 1 squared. We have positive 1. So write plus 1. Yung nakarid dyan. Then since you are adding 25 and 1 to the left side, let's add 25 and plus 1 to the other side. Understood? So this is now our answer. We have x squared plus 10x plus 25 plus y squared minus 2y plus 1 equals negative 17 plus 25 plus 1. And this time, we will proceed to standard form because we are tasked to find the standard form. So what is the first variable? We have x squared. So, their common variable, we have x. So, write x plus, what is the square root of 25? We have 5. So, write 5. We have quantity of x plus 5 squared. Lagyan yung squared sa labas. Plus, so y squared naman tayo. So, what is the common variable of y squared minus 2y plus 1? So, we have y. Write y. Then, copy the operation minus. Then, what is the square root of 1? Yung nakared dyan. So, it will become 1. Then, write open and close parentheses, squared. Equals, add naman natin yung nasa right side. We have negative 17 plus 25 plus 1. So, we'll come up to positive 9. Understood? Any questions? If you have some question, then you can drop your message on the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something about mathematics. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Updated kayo sa mga mathematics tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys.